Audio Jungle.
My name is Mank and I am a software developer, consultant, trainer and solution architect. I have around 8 plus years of experience in software development using Python, Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, Flask, Django, MySQL, MongoDB and Postgres. On the cloud side, I have worked in AWS and Azure. Today we will be going to see how can we create and initialize our first application using SAM. So let's start. Basically, SAM provides us a command using which we can create and initialize any application with basic configuration. Let's run it. Now it is asking to choose template. I am choosing option 1. Now it is asking about the application template using which we want to create application. So we have multiple options, but I am choosing the hello world example. Now we need to choose runtime environment in which you would like to develop your application. So I am choosing option 16. Now it is asking about the project name, so I am giving hello world app. Now it's done. Now we will see what are the different folder and the files we get using same init command. So we have different folder, name is events, hello world, test, readme, same config and template.yml. So basically this file template.yml is very important, and the hello world folder in which you will get a file called app.py in which you will need to write down your code. Okay, so we have this file and in which you will see lambda handler. So AWS SAM provide you basic code with hello world message, and this is the requirement.txt in which you can write down your dependencies. What are the dependencies you have used in your application? So in the next video we will talk about what is the exact use template.yml and how can we manipulate it accordingly.